Assalamualaikum, welcome back guys. So in this video we are going to continue our Islamic support app. Previously we have built the module that are Hajj and Umrah. You can see that we have the folder of the controller, the Hajj, the Tawaf, the module, the view. So this is the module of the Hajj and Umrah. So in this video we are going to continue for the prayer time module. So let's go to the ChatGPT. Here in the ChatGPT, so we have the structure of the prayer time module. So inside the module we have the prayer folder, and inside the folder we have the controller, and we have the model, we have the service, we have the view, and we have the bending. Okay, let's start. First, you have to create all of this first as a folder. Here we have the folder of the prayer. Currently I have created the I'm going to close the Hajj and Umrah first. Here is the folder of the prayer, and inside the folder I have also created a new folder called we have the bending, we have the controller, model, service, and the view, which means that we follow this is the folder, this is the folder, and this is also the folder. So inside the folder we have the file, and here folder and file. So let's start. So this is the prayer model. So the prayer model need to be inside this. We have the model, and then we have the prayer. Okay, so let's see our model. Here we have the model, and we have the file here. The coding is here, so I just copy from that. And the second one is the service. This service need to be inside the service of the prayer. So we have the service time, prayer time service, which is we copy the file from here and put it inside the folder here. And the coding just copy from this. Mostly we use the API called Al-Adhan, so it will fix the data from this website. Okay, so next we need to create the prayer time controller. So I'm going to copy the name of this and go to the controller and copy it. So I'm going to copy inside the controller. Okay, let's copy the coding. This here. So I just paste it here, and you can see that the service is not working yet because there is some error. We're going to fix later. For that we need to fix the inside the service, because here we need to put the service. Okay, let's move to the next one first. We have bending. I'm going to copy also the bending file here. So just copy paste the file, and then copy the coding. After that we're going to create the screen, the UI screen of the prayer. We need to put it in the view instead of the other folder. Okay, I'm going to paste this one first. Understand that this is just for the function first. We don't improve the UI yet. We just to make sure that all the function is working. Okay, let's start. We have this, and then let's fix the prayer time service. So the import is wrong of the location, that's why the here is not working. So I'm going to import again. Maybe here the class is not found. Let me check the previous one first. Oh, we don't copy the coding yet. So let's move back to the service coding. We have controller. Here is the service. I'm going to copy this and paste it here inside this. So let's try to fix the error first. I think we don't have this package yet, the do that. Let's go to the browser and check for this package. Here, this package. So make sure that if you don't have the package, the error will be found like this. So to avoid of the error, we need to copy and install the package that we are missing. So I'm going down to the pub spec. In the pub spec, we have this. Let me copy this. So make sure that it's in the latest version. Okay. So after that, you can check that the service now no longer error. And then next is import the service library inside the prior time controller. Now everything is not error, no error anymore. Okay, let's move to the next. In the next one, previously we have moved to the Hatch homepage. For now, we have to change it into the prior time. Otherwise, we create the new one that can add on the prior. Here you can see that I'm going to copy this for faster. Okay, so I paste it here. So should create the new main screen that can link from the Hatch homepage and prior time together. Okay, let's create the center that have a button to go to Hatch homepage and prayer time. So make sure we need to create the center, which means that the main dashboard. As they can see that we have the main dashboard here, or the center screen that store the Hatch and prayer. So we do this because we want to make sure that all module will be go through. Okay, so now I have this as the home center. So make sure this one is in the lib. So there is no directory inside the module. So let's create it. I'm going to open the lib and create the new file called the home center, and then copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this, and then we need to change the main from the Hatch homepage to the center homepage. So let's try to go to the main here. Here is the Hatch homepage. So I'm going to replace this with the center of this and import the center of the library. So I'm going to remove the Hatch homepage library. Okay, everything done. Let's try to test it. I'm going to run this. Let's see how it works. Remember that when you run at the first time, there will be slower because because of the they have to read the library over again. Just wait for a while. For this part, I'm going to skip for the short. Okay, so now the coding is running well. Let's see how. Okay, you can see that we have the center of the hatch and umbrella. So when I click on the hatch, it will go to the hatch. And if I go to the prayer time, oh, I think there is something error on this. Why it's not working? So because the bending is, let's check the bending, our bending. Inside the module, we have the prayer and we have the bending. Currently, we do have this, but I think it's not working well because of the main, maybe. Let me check. I think we do have that, but let's try to see why it's error. So which means that we need to add this one, the controller, inside the tab, itself. So that means that the bending is not or the best practice is here. So I think the second one is better because we use bending inside this tab. It's not direct from the controller. So let's try to copy this and let's go to the center here. So in the center here you can see that we have the type like this, and this one also need to be the same. We do paste what we have, this the bending. Okay, I'm going to save and try to refresh again. Okay, let's try to open again. Yes, so now there is no error anymore. So thank you so much for this video. So let's I will see you in the next video for the UI style design instead of the function, because the function is working well.